Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to get to know people in German. That is Jemanden, Kennenlernen. We will learn the meaning of each phrase, its usage with examples. So here are some common phrases to know someone in German. The first step to get to know someone is to ask that person's name. So one can ask, Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? This is a formal phrase. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? This is an informal phrase. Both these phrases mean what is your name. These phrases have been covered in detail in my video on how to introduce yourself. Please watch that video. The link is in the description. Wie ist Ihr Familienname? Wie ist Ihr Familienname? This is a formal phrase. Wie ist dein Familienname? Wie ist dein Familienname? This is an informal phrase. This means what is your surname or last name? It is used to ask someone's last name. The response to these questions could be Mein Familienname ist followed by your surname. Mein Familienname ist followed by your surname, which means my surname is followed by your surname. For example, wie ist Ihr Familienname or wie ist dein Familienname? Mein Familienname ist Schmidt. My surname is Schmidt. Wie ist Ihr Vorname? Wie ist Ihr Vorname? This is a formal phrase. Wie ist dein Vorname? Wie ist dein Vorname? This is an informal phrase. It means what is your first name? The response to the questions could be Mein Vorname ist followed by your Vorname, which means my first name is followed by your first name. For example, wie ist Ihr Vorname or wie ist dein Vorname? Mein Vorname ist Monika. My first name is Monika. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? This is a formal phrase. Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? This is an informal phrase. It means how old are you? The response to these questions could be Ich bin followed by your age, Jahre alt, which means I am followed by your age, years old. For example, wie alt sind Sie? Or wie alt bist du? Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. I am 20 years old. Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? This is a formal phrase. Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? This is an informal phrase. These phrases mean where are you from? They are used to ask place of origin of someone. The response to these questions could be Ich komme aus followed by your country name, which means I am from followed by your country name. For example, woher kommen Sie or woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Indien. I am from India. Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnen Sie? This is a formal phrase. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? This is an informal phrase. It means where do you live? It is used to ask someone's place of residence. The answer to these questions could be Ich wohne in followed by your city or place name, which means I live in followed by your city or place name. For example, wo wohnen Sie or wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in Hamburg. I live in Hamburg. Seit wann wohnen Sie in Land or Stadt or Ort? This is a formal phrase. Seit wann wohnst du in Land, Stadt or Ort? This is an informal phrase. It means since when are you living in country or city or place? The response to the questions could be Ich wohne seit Jahr, Monat or Tage in Land, Stadt or Ort name, which means I am living here since or for year, month or days in country, city or place name. Let's see an example to understand it better. Seit wann wohnen Sie in Hamburg? Or seit wann wohnst du in Hamburg? Ich wohne seit 2 Jahren in Hamburg. I am living in Hamburg for 2 years. Was sind Sie von Beruf? Was sind Sie von Beruf? This is a formal phrase. Was bist du von Beruf? Was bist du von Beruf? This is an informal phrase. It means what is your profession or what do you do for a living? This is used to know someone's professional background. The response to these questions could be Ich bin followed by your profession name von Beruf, which means I am followed by your profession name. For example, was sind Sie von Beruf? Or was bist du von Beruf? Ich bin ein Lehrer von Beruf. I am a teacher. Since we have done Begrüßungen, sich vorstellen and Jemanden Kennenlernen, we have completed the basics of starting a conversation. So, I would encourage you to start conversing with German speakers with the help of these phrases. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This would motivate me to bring to you more informative content. I will see you in the next video. Cheers!